Good morning, students. I hope you are well at your side. Today, we will start our new chapter in Geography, chapter number 5, Minerals and Energy Resources. We use different things in our daily life made from metal and other things. We have studied that the earth's crust is made up of different minerals embedded in the rocks. कि rocks जो हैं वो minerals से बनती हैं. Various metals are extracted from these minerals after proper refinement. Minerals are an indispensable part of our lives. Almost everything we use, from a tiny pin to a towering building or a big ship, जो चीजें हम एक पिन से लेके ऑल पिन से लेकर के एक विशाल इमारत तक जो यूज करते हैं, that are made from minerals. The railway lines, the road, the machinery, the paving of the roads, our implement and machinery tools are made from minerals. Manufactured from minerals and runs are power resources derived from the earth. Even the food that we eat contains minerals. We already knows that the balanced diet in our food, a balanced diet in which the balanced diet a substance minerals is necessary or a important substance in the food. So in all stages of development, human beings have used minerals for their livelihood, decoration, festivities, religious and ceremonial rites. A bright smile from toothpaste and mineral. Toothpaste cleans our teeth. Abrasive minerals like silica, limestone, aluminium oxide, and various phosphate minerals do the cleaning. Fluoride, which is used to reduce cavities, comes from a mineral fluoride. Most toothpaste are made with an टाइटेनियम ऑक्साइड विच कम्स फ्रॉम मिनरल्स. अर्थात हम जितनी भी चीजें यूज करते हैं, चाहे कॉस्मेटिक आइटम्स हों, चाहे मेडिसिन हों, या कोई अदर जो मटेरियल्स भी यूज करते हैं, उनमें सब में कहीं ना कहीं कोई मिनरल्स जरूर होते हैं. द स्पार्कल इन सम टूथपेस्ट कम्स फ्रॉम माइका. द टूथब्रश एंड ट्यूब्स कंटेनिंग द पेस्ट आर मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक्स फ्रॉम पेट्रोलियम. All living things need minerals. सभी लिविंग थिंग्स को किसी ना किसी फॉर्म में मिनरल्स की जो है वो इंपॉर्टेंस होती है, नेसेसिटीज होती है. देन ए क्वेश्चन इन आवर माइंड, व्हाट इज मिनरल्स? तो जियोलॉजिस्ट डिफाइंस, अकॉर्डिंग टू जियोलॉजिस्ट, as a homogeneous naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure, with a definable internal structure is called minerals. Minerals क्या हैं? Homogeneous naturally occurring substance और with a definable internal structure, कि उनका कोई ना कोई इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर है. होमोजेनस है मतलब नेचुरली अकरिंग है, अपने आप बनते हैं, एंड इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर. तो थ्री most important fact in the definition of the minerals according to geologist. These are homogeneous, naturally occurring, and internal structure. They have the internal structure. The minerals are found in varied form in nature, ranging from the hardest mineral diamond to the softest talc. सबसे हार्डेस्ट मिनरल इन द वर्ल्ड है डायमंड, और सबसे सॉफ्टेस्ट मिनरल इन द वर्ल्ड इज द टाल्क, TALC. टाल्क इज द सॉफ्टेस्ट एंड डायमंड इज द हार्डेस्ट मिनरल ऑफ द अर्थ. Why are they so varied? इनमें इतना डिफरेंस क्यों है? तो we have already learned about rock. Rock are combination of homogeneous substance called minerals. जो rocks बनते हैं वो minerals से बनते हैं. Study of minerals by geographers. Geographers study mineral as part of the earth crust. फॉर ए बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म। तो ज्योग्राफर जो हैं वो मिनरल्स की जो स्टडी करते हैं वो एज पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ क्रस्ट, जो एक क्रस्ट का एक पार्ट है उसके रूप में करते हैं फॉर ए बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म, ताकि वहां की लैंडफॉर्म को अच्छे से जान सकें कि व्हाट आर द internal structure of that landforms. The distribution of minerals, resources and associated economic activities are of interest to geographers. A geologist, however, is interested in the formation of minerals, their age and physical and chemical composition. Now, the types of mineral, classification of minerals. So there are mainly three types of minerals: that's metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals and energy minerals. Mainly minerals are categorized in broad categories: metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals and energy minerals. Metallic minerals have two types. Metallic minerals also divides into two types: ferrous metallic minerals and non-ferrous metallic minerals. Ferrous metallic minerals and non-ferrous metallic minerals. These are the two types of minerals. Ferrous minerals are those minerals which contain the iron, and non-ferrous minerals are those minerals which contains the metals or irons. Non-metallic minerals, non-ferrous metallic minerals which have no iron. So metallic minerals are divided into two categories: ferrous metallic minerals and non-ferrous metallic minerals. Ferrous minerals containing iron, like the iron ore, manganese, nickel and cobalt. Iron ore, manganese, nickel and cobalt. Non-ferrous metallic minerals which containing no ferrous or non-iron, which are copper, lead, tin, bauxite, etc. Precious minerals, non-ferrous and precious minerals. These minerals are very costly minerals, valuable minerals like the gold, silver, platinum. मेटलिक मिनरल्स को थ्री कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया: फेरस जिनमें आयरन होता है, नॉन फेरस जिनमें आयरन नहीं होता, एंड प्रीशियस जो कॉस्टली है, वैल्यूएबल है। फेरस मिनरल्स में आयरन और मैंगनीज, निकेल और कोबाल्ट है। नॉन फेरस में कॉपर, लीड, बॉक्साइट एटसेट्रा, एंड प्रीशियस में गोल्ड, सिल्वर, प्लेटिनम, डायमंड एटसेट्रा। देन non-metallic minerals which have not contained the metals like the mica, salt, potash, sulfur, granite, limestone, marble and sandstone. These are the minerals, but they have not metals in these, so they are categorized in the non-metallic minerals. And the energy minerals: coal, petroleum, natural gas. These are the energy minerals and they used to generate energy as a fuel or in other activities. Coal and petroleum are used for the fuel and natural gas is also used to fuel purpose. So the minerals are categorized. Now we discussed in our next class about the various categories of the minerals.